K15 4K UHD mini drone with screen controller, brushless motor, obstacle avoidance, optical flow and ESC camera. Take your flight experience to the next level with the K15 4K HD drone, a compact, brushless quadcopter designed for indoor and outdoor adventures. Engineered with a premium 4K UHD adjustable camera, intelligent flight stabilization, and cutting-edge four-sided obstacle avoidance, this drone is ideal for both beginners and seasoned aerial explorers. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage, practicing flight skills, or gifting a tech enthusiast, the K15 Max delivers performance, precision, and portability all in one smart design. Puzzle piece product overview. Product name: K15 X Mini RC Drone. Camera: 4K HD electric adjustable ESC camera, via controller. Gimbal Type: 2-axis gimbal for smoother video and reduced shake. Obstacle avoidance: 4-sided IR-based intelligent avoidance. Control method: app plus screen remote control. Motor type: quiet and efficient brushless motors. Flight time: 10 to 20 minutes, varies with conditions. Charging time: approximately 120 minutes. Control range: up to 120 meters. Video transmission range: up to 2 kilometers. Max flight altitude: 120 meters. Weight: drone 178 grams. Takeoff weight 189 grams. Age recommendation: 14 plus, beginner friendly. Channels: 6 channels for multi-directional control. Remote batteries: AA batteries not included. Drone battery: rechargeable lithium battery included. Use case: indoor, outdoor. Color options: yellow or white. Material: durable plastic. Brand: Pankeda. Origin: mainland China. Certifications: CE certified. Packaging: color box with all accessories. Advanced camera capabilities: 4K UHD resolution for high detail aerial photography. ESC electric adjustment allows real-time angle control via remote. 2-axis gimbal stabilization reduces jitter and ensures smoother video. Photo and video modes available via remote or app. Real-time FPV, first-person view, transmission lets you see exactly what the drone sees on your screen controller. Whether you're capturing real estate, nature landscapes, group shots, or action footage, the K15 Max's camera is tuned for creative versatility. Smart and safe flight technology. 4-way obstacle avoidance sensors detect and avoid walls and objects in real time, providing safer indoor and outdoor flights. Optical flow positioning uses the downward-facing camera to maintain stable hover and precise positioning, even indoors. Altitude hold mode enables the drone to hover steadily at a set height, improving image capture and ease of use. One-key takeoff and landing allows beginners to fly confidently. Headless mode makes orientation simple, perfect for first-time flyers. Emergency stop and low battery alerts add extra safety during use. 6-axis gyroscope ensures stable and responsive flight in windy conditions. Easy-to-use controller with built-in screen. Unlike traditional drones requiring smartphones, the K15 Max comes with a remote control featuring an integrated display screen, allowing you to monitor your flight and visuals in real time. No need for a separate phone or app, although app control is also supported. Ideal gift for kids, teens and adults. The K15 Max is more than a drone, it's an immersive learning experience. It develops hand-eye coordination, STEM skills, and creativity. Whether you're shopping for a birthday or holiday gift, a first drone for a beginner pilot, a high-tech toy for teens, a travel gadget for adventurers, it fits perfectly as a smart and exciting gift option. Package includes 1 K15 Max drone with built-in battery, 1 remote control with screen, 1 USB charging cable, 1 set of spare propeller blades, 1 screwdriver, 1 user manual, 1 original box, color packaging. Optional: memory card reader, if included. International appeal. The K15 Max is designed for global distribution with packaging and support suited for markets across North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, Africa, and more. It is also eligible for private label and cross-border e-commerce.